A mysterious noise coming from the seafloor in one of Canada's northern territories has been puzzling locals, who cannot identify the source. The pinging sound has reportedly been heard in Fury and Hecla Strait, a channel of water in the Nunavut region, roughly 120 kilometers northwest of Igloolik, throughout the summer. The channel is a popular hunting area because it is a migratory route for whales and seals, so the open water surrounded by ice is usually abundant with sea mammals. However, the pinging sound, which has also been described as a hum or beep, has resulted in almost all of the wildlife being scared away. Paul Quassa, a local politician, told CBC that the sound seems to be emanating from the seafloor. Although few have heard it with the naked ear, the noise can apparently be heard through the hulls of boats. Some locals suspect the sound is being generated on purpose by Greenpeace to scare wildlife away from the rich hunting ground. We've heard in the past of groups like Greenpeace putting in some kinds of sonars in the seabed to get the sea mammals out of the way so Inuit won't be able to hunt them, Quassa said. However, these rumors have never been substantiated, and Greenpeace denies the assertion. Not only would we not do anything to harm marine life, but we very much respect the right of Inuit to hunt and would definitely not want to impact it in any way, a Greenpeace spokeswoman told CBC. Another theory points to the local Baffinland Iron Mines Corporation conducting sonar surveys of the seafloor in its search for offshore oil and gas. However, Baffinland claims it is not conducting any surveys in the area, and has no equipment in the water. Now the Canadian Armed Forces have been called in to investigate. Although submarines were not immediately ruled out, they are not considered to be a likely cause. The Canadian Armed Forces are aware of allegations of unusual sounds emanating from the seabed in the Furry and Hecla Strait in Nunavut, the Department of National Defence said in a statement. The aircrew performed various acoustic search for 1.5 hours, without detecting any acoustic. The crew did observe 2 pods of whales and 6 walruses in the area of interest.